Welcome to Kushina's OnlyPants. This is part 2 of my modding series where I'm gonna teach you how to mod Naruto Storm Connections. This episode will be about changing a character's texture. Firstly, you will need the unpacked game files, right here. Then, you will need the XFBin texture tool. I will leave a link in the description, but you can also find every tool I use on the modding Discord. Right here. In order to actually open the textures and edit them, you will need a drawing program that supports the DDS format. I personally use Paint.net because it's free. So, the actual modding process is quite simple. You just go and pick a model that you want to change the texture. I will pick Rinne Sharingan Sasuke. That's 5SSK. Bod 1. And in order for mods to actually work, they need to be in a folder called data_win32. So I'm just gonna create that right now. And since we copied Sasuke from the SPC folder, we need to make an SPC folder in our data_win32 as well. Now we're gonna put him here. Now you're gonna open the XFBin texture editor and import the Sasuke or whatever character you want. Here we can see all his textures. And I just wanna edit his hair color. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click on this texture and press export. Export as DDS. Now you can see it exported the two subtextures that were right here, the color 1 and the color 2. Now I'm gonna open the color 1 and I can see that this square or rectangle right here is for Sasuke's hair color. I want his hair to be a beautiful pink color. Perfect. Now we need to look at the pixel format in our XFBin texture editor and save it as the same thing. It's the 565, so I'm just gonna go save and right here 565. Now I can just replace the texture by right clicking and importing it in. Now I can just export the XFBin and it should show up in the game. It looks like I chose the wrong thing to edit. I accidentally edited his eyebrows. Without Blender, you just kinda have to guess what corresponds to what, so I'm just gonna fix that real quick. Let's say, I think this could be the hair as well. Now I have to do this again, and we can check if it works now. And it does. This is going to be it for this tutorial. In the next episode, I'll show you how to actually import characters into Blender so you can just check what part of the UV each mesh uses.